Now I'll show you how to publish a Figma website. Once you're done editing everything, you should see your website here in recent or in all projects. So I have this website I had created. We just go ahead and click on this. And then after that, once the website loads up, what I want you to do is just come here, the top left, click on publish. And once you're ready to publish, you can go ahead and get a professional plan. Because if you are on the free or starter plan, they don't have the publishing feature. You can just go ahead and create the sites and you can create files and projects, but you cannot actually publish once you are in the starter plan. You need the professional one. And once you go ahead and publish it, you can come in the bottom left, click on settings, click on domains. Once it is published, you can just go ahead and connect a domain to your website.